Guys, let's just unpack la kukuningi yami. Siyabonga Mhlungu's name has been coming out uthi uyi-digital marketer. Yeah. Uyi-recruiter ke Alabuka ke indaba zase-Russia ke uyazazi ngithi that has been going around so much on social media. It just became crazy. People end up being cancelled, lost their TikTok accounts. Some are saying that they are suspended. They're suspended. There's nothing much. Like, he's suspended and stuff about right. I was just like, wow, son of and guys takes you to other places. The attitude buka manje ukuthi injani indaba yabo ne. And this guy ngathi uyena recruiter who was actually speaking to influencers about this Russian situation. So he had like sort of like a presentation with them, and he was telling them what's going on, the payments are still ongoing. How nice. And people act like they don't know. I mean, I feel good they knew. I still believe good they actually knew what was going on. Just this one. But some people are like, but they are happy in Russia, but it's not the same. Should I say employment? Job? Yeah, same thing. Yeah, so it's not the same. So back on no, I'm in Russia studying, I'm in Russia working, I'm happy. People have been coming out. But Gonzagalan, I'm happy. And then another lady also came out to say, I've been applying, maybe I apply like 30 to 40 jobs on TikTok a day. I did apply for this job actually, and then they wanted my 17 pages of my passport, and then the machine was stuck. It's a long story. Oh my gosh, I'm just like, as in, just be grateful you are safe. You just like, yo, what's going on? If you believe in Madlozi, was Madlozi there? If you believe in God, was God there for me? If you believe in both, there's some people who believe in both. Oh my goodness, my God was here with me. Bella, so sisters, because she applies for a lot of jobs and a lot of vacancies, so she didn't realize. But now she's just like, maybe the job was not for me. Maybe I was not supposed to go to Russia, actually. So, usiyabonga Mhlungu uthi yehlisa ivideo usho kubo Maphela and them no Thabiseng and them. Sesithi and them ngoba nabo baningi no sign Butch. So uthi if you yehlisa le video phelile payment akusekho umkholo ozothola. Yeah. Apparently he is the main guy for Alabuka. Yeah. So the Russians were like, "Wenake." Uzosiphathela le nto. I'm just like, ungathi uzongena enkingeni nabo asazomdonsa mos. Ngoba his name keeps on coming up. Ukuthi wena, you are the one that actually told us about this. Uyi-digital marketer at that time, brothers. And then uyamkhumbula ngithi uSign Butch was tutoring us. Esedakiwe. Hey, yazi kubuhlungu ubuka ivideo kade udakiwe usubuka ngakusasa uthola dabengithini sehambile. How are you going to retract it and correct that? We won't be able to. So, sis, video guys before this one, you check. Guys, I've been meaning to add this story Thabo Bester. I've done quite a few videos of him actually. From like, I have a video from 2 years ago. Videos, in fact, from 2 years ago on my other channel was 30. Siya Hlaziya. Hi, bo. It's just like, they just want to make them angry, both of them, with this Netflix series again. But it's just gonna make them angry. And remember last time I tried Unandipa to bring up her lawyer, but you know how it is. It just had no substance, nothing whatsoever. But I'm just like, even now, it's gonna be the same thing because they don't really have support of them being innocent. So it's like, the beauty and the best. I just was seeing it a bit on Netflix. Actually saw the trailer last week. I'm just like, Baba, please, Thabo Bester who was going to try and stop this. But Thabo Bester, when it comes to lawyers, our last time a lawyer, it's always crazy about him or for him. Guys, thank you so much for always supporting this channel. Ngithanda over.